Little consumer unit, 2 MCBs, one for the lights, one for the pump, and that's your RCD. So that keeps the pump safe. So anything going from the pump, i.e. this cable, into the house is backed up by your trip switches in the house, okay? But this will keep your tub safe. All right, so if you come around here, follow me around here. So that electrical thing goes to the buttons. One for the LED lights and one for the air pump. So if we go inside the tub now, you'll be able to see the LED lights. They go through a sequence of colours. Okay, and the air pump, which is there, the air comes out of these here. These ones. So that's just air, there's no water comes out of those, okay? The only water that's coming out is through those 2 big holes there, and that's coming from the boiler. So the water is in the boiler, it surrounds the boiler, and it comes out in through the bottom hole and out through the top hole. So the water coming out the top hole is hot, really, really hot, okay? When you fill the tub up, you need to be filling it to approximately 125 millimeters from the top. What you don't want is the water lapping over the top like a Serenity pool, because it'll overwhelm the trap that's inside and it'll burn the motor out. So just make sure, splashes are fine, but it doesn't constantly want to be thrown over the top. Okay, if we walk round to the firebox now, you can see there's a chimney. Okay, this chimney just lifts off. It's designed just to lift off, and you can put it wherever you want to put it. Occasionally it'll want sweeping to get rid of the soot. Okay, and this is your firebox. It's a simple lift up catch, open the door. Inside is a grill for your wood and a ashtray. Okay, light a fire like you would in your wood burner in the house. It takes up to 500 millimeter logs or pieces of wood. The smaller the pieces of wood, the better to get it going, and then don't put anything on bigger than sort of 75 mil, something like that, and keep the fire roaring. Okay, shut the door, leave the vents open. Initial heat up 2.5 hours, I would say, something like that. Okay, this here is the tap to let the water out. So that's off, that's on. You can put a hose pipe adapter on there should you wish. Okay, fill it over the top with a hose pipe. Okay, this particular one has got the Supreme step, as you can see, with a handrail on the top. At this end, it's got a wood store to keep your logs in. Those are your tools for your fire, and they're just stored away inside there. Shut that. Walk around this way, so you can see 3 steps up. 4 catches to secure the lid down. Okay. And over this side, there's a drinks holder. The wine cooler goes in the middle one, and the other ones are for your drinks. Okay. Left, I will be leaving some chlorine, which will go in that chlorine dispenser. It's actually not chlorine, I tell a lie, it's non-chlorine product. So if initially, when you first put the water in, put 2 tablets in that dispenser there, and then put 1 a week in, and that should be okay for you. Any other problems, you just have to add another tablet and see how the water goes. It depends on the calcium content in the water, how the water's going to react once it gets hot. Any problems, you can just give us a ring on that anyway, and we can try and advise you as best we can. Okay, I think that is pretty much it. So thank you very much for your business, and give us a ring should you have any problems.